Hello and welcome to HTML tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about the HTML blocks. All the HTML elements can be categorized into two categories. The first one is a block level elements and second one is inline elements. Okay, block elements. Block elements appear on the screen as if they have a line break before and after them. For example, P, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, UL, OL, TL, PR, HR, block code, and address elements are the block label elements. They all start on their own new line and anything that follows them appears on its own new line. Then what is inline elements? Inline elements, on the other hand, can appear within the sentence and do not have to appear on a new line of their own. Like, for example, B, I, U, EM, strong, SUP, SUB, big, small, LI, INS, del, code, site, DFN, KBD, and where elements, all inline elements. Okay, now we talk about the grouping HTML elements. There are two important tags which we use very frequently to group various other HTML tags. The first one is a div tag and second one is a span tag. Okay, let us discuss about the div tag now. What is a div tag? This is the very important block level tag which plays a big role in grouping various other HTML tags and applying CSS on the group of elements. Even now, div tag can be used to create web page layouts where we define different parts, right, left, top, etc. of the page using div, like the particular div tag. This tag does not provide any visual change on the block, but this has more meaning when it is used particularly in CSS. Let us have a look at the div tag example. Have a look at this code, and we are dealing with the div tag here, and when we open the body we have a div and we mention the style here. That's like style here. We want this to be in the color red, so we made a H4, that's heading size 4. This is a first group, and T following is the list of vegetables, and when we make the list we will make like UL, like unordered list. The list is like a beetroot, ginger, potato, and radish, and we close the unordered list here. So actually I don't have a lot of space here on this presentation, that so I didn't create one more div. So but when we try this code, and I'll create one more div, and then you'll understand the difference. So let us try this code and try to execute this. Okay, so this is the full code for two divs here. In this HTML, we have one div here, style is color red, and this is the first group, and this is the second group with the color blue. And we have the same list here. So let us save this and run it in Chrome. So you can see like two different groups here. So the first group is on like a color red, and the second group is in color blue. So the div starts here and div ends here, and the content between these two open and closed divs is appearing on red because we gave the color property as red here, and the same, and we have one more div here and it's closing here. The content between these two tags should appear in blue as we gave the blue here. So this is the basic example that deals with div. Let's talk about the span tag now. The HTML span tag is an inline element and it can be used to group the inline elements in HTML document. This tag also does not provide any visual change on the block but has more meaning when it is used with CSS. The difference between span tag and div tag is that span tag is used with the inline elements whereas div tag is used with block level elements. Let us see an example. In this simple code, we are using a span tag in the paragraph. In this paragraph, we have like this is, we are giving a span and we are assigning a style color red, and so we are saying red here and we are closing the span tag, and this is again we are opening a span tag and color is green and we are saying the green, and we are closing the span tag. So when you execute this code will output this is red and this is green. So let us try to execute. Again, have a look at the code. These bold letters are gonna display in the output because my text editor will show the output bit highlighted, like in the paragraph this is red and this is green, but we assigned this green word with a green color and this red word with a red color by using span tag. Let's save this and run this in Chrome. Yes, so as we mentioned in the code, the output is same. This is red and this is green. So this is how the span tag works. But in the div, it is different. It works by blocks, but span works inline. So that's all about the span tag and div tag. So we just finished the like a discussion about the HTML blocks, and I hope you enjoyed the session now. And we will meet again in the next session. Until then, bye bye. Thank you very much.